are there specific types of importers or specific commodities that get intensive exams more often than others? For example, like a medical device importer?
Well, yes and no. I mean, there are some commodities that literally just always have to be examined. We've got importers that bring in, hydrolyzed proteins, and they have to be examined at an FSIS inspection every single time because they are regulated by the USDA, and USDA checks those every single time. So to some extent, yes, there are some importers and some commodities that are going to be always examined more than others.
And as you mentioned before, Caleb, a lot of the commodities that are flagged for exam are related to a PGA some way or another.
Absolutely.
Okay.